Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome, my dear heroes, grade 4 students, to a new science session. We continue our revision. This is the fourth session of revision. We continue our booklet, the final revision booklet now. Raise your hand to answer, my son. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Everybody raise your hand. Everybody raise your hand now. Then I can choose you. Raise your hand. And after you answer the question, you can lower your hand. Now we have Muaz. Let's go, Muaz.
Yes.
Muaz Muhammad.
I will answer 76.
Yeah, start by 76.
Bears that live in forests have dark fur.
The bears that live in forests have what fur? Not in the polar region, in the forest.
Dark.
Yeah, very good. Has dark fur. Very good, my son.
Sir,
But in the North Pole, in the
75.
polar region, they have white fur. Do you know?
White and thick fur.
White and thick fur to hide and to keep their body warm.
And this
مستر
is
لو
called
تعرف يا
camouflage.
مستر
To hide.
دب القطبي.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Mr.
So the
75 what?
bears which live in the forest have dark fur, brown or black. Okay. So they can hide between trees. But
this
the
is called
bears which live
camouflage.
in the polar
Sir.
region, they have white fur and thick fur to keep their body warm and to hide from the preys and from predators. Now hands down, Muaz.
Mr.
Yes, Sohaib.
Painting is in fox is structure or behavioral camouflage.
Behavioral.
Behavioral?
Yes, my son. Now, Yasin Samih, are you ready, Yasin?
Yes, I'm ready.
Number 77.
Accumulating fat and thick feather trap bone hair in the skin.
Yeah. Insulating fat and thick feather. Trap what? In the skin. Cold air or warm air?
Warm air.
Warm air. Very good. This is in what animal? Do you know?
Yeah, it's the penguin.
In the penguin. Very good, my son. This is in the penguin. It can keep the warm air by the feather and the fats. Very good, my son. Thank you, Yasin. The next will be, hands down, Yasin. Omar Abu Arab. Are you ready, Omar? Let's go, Yasin.
Yes. The gases exchange occurs within the
Gas exchange in the respiratory system happen in where?
alveoli.
Alveoli. Very good, my son. In the alveoli. Not in the bronchi, not in the esophagus, not in the anus. It happens in the lungs, in the alveoli. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Omar Abu Arab. You are excellent. You know what gases, ya Omar, I exchange? You know what gases we exchange? What gas with what gas?
Oxygen with carbon dioxide.
Yeah, you are excellent. Oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Very good, ya Omar. Thank you, Omar. The next will be Sohaib. Are you ready, Sohaib? Let's go, my hero.
Teacher, I am the first because I am Ahmed Mustafa.
Let me choose by my order. Let me choose by my order.
Mister,
I have
I
now
want to
Sohaib.
say something. I
I
want to
have
say
an order
something.
different from your order. I choose by my order, okay? Now,
No,
Sohaib,
no, no.
are you ready, Sohaib?
No, I want to say something, not to answer.
Faster.
Do you, مستر لو تعرف إن
مالك
البول
يس مالك
مستر لو تعرف إن البول بير أو الدب القطبي مهدد بالانقراض؟
ممكن. It is exposed to extinction. Its number is very small number. طيب شكرا يا مالك على المعلومة. شكرا. صهيب now your turn صهيب.
Teacher, why?
Its number is very small number now. There is
Why?
a lot of hunters. There is a lot of hunters which hunt the polar bear to take his fur. His fur is very expensive.
Okay.
يلا يا
You say
But
to
how
me,
the hunters
like,
can go to
Suhaib,
the
your
pool?
turn, Suhaib.
organisms can't adapt to the environmental
Increase
changes.
ولا extinct ولا stay the same ولا modify. Organisms which cannot adapt to the environmental changes. They will increase, they will extinct, they will stay the same, they will modify.
Mr. What the meaning of extended and modified?
لا لا لا. Meaning of extinct تنقرض.
Yeah,
It is extinct, correct answer. If the living organism doesn't adapt to the environmental changes, like the dinosaurs, remember the dinosaurs, they extinct. You remember?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Suhaib. The next, lower your hand, Suhaib. Ahmed Mustafa. Everybody raise your hand. Only the one who answered, lower your hand. Everybody raise your hand. Ahmed Atiyah, Amjad, Hamza, Omar, yes, Anas. Raise your hand, everybody. Only the one who answered, lower your hand. Now we have the turn for Ahmed Mustafa. Are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes.
Read.
Aquatic water.
Aquatic water. Plants. Aquatic water plants. Like water lily. You remember water lily?
Yes.
Have what leaves to absorb sunlight?
No. Correct answer.
لا. عندهم flat leaves. عندهم flat leaves to absorb water. Okay?
To absorb sunlight.
Yeah, to absorb sunlight. They have flat leaves. Like water lily. Do you remember the water lily?
Yeah.
What is
اللي هو
the
نبات ورد النيل. Water lily.
what is the aquatic?
Aquatic water plants. النباتات المائية اللي عايشة في المية.
Okay, thank you.
Aquatic plants. النباتات المائية. تمام؟ طيب. نروح لبعد كده نمبر 81. We have now أحمد مصطفى, lower your hand. Lower your hand, أحمد مصطفى. Anas Abdurrahman, raise your hand. Islam, raise your hand. Adam عارف, your turn, Adam.
What, teacher?
Number 81.
Exhalation.
Read again.
Carbon dioxide gas is
Carbon dioxide gas is ejected out of the body through what?
exhalation.
Very good, my son. Exhalation, very good, ya Adam. Exhalation process. Very good, my son. You know what is the organ help in exhalation process and inhalation process? What organ in the respiratory system? Very good, my son.
Diaphragm.
The diaphragm help in inhalation and exhalation. You are excellent, Adam. Thank you, Adam. Lower your hand now. Now the turn for Malik. Islam and Anas, raise your hand. Anas Abdurrahman and Islam, raise your hand. Amgad, raise your hand. Only the one who didn't answer, raise your hand.
Me, Mr.
Malik, your turn, Malik. Fadl. 82.
Okay. 82. Okay. System is responsible for breaking down the food. Digestive system.
Responsible for breaking down the food. It is the digestive system. You are excellent. Not the nervous system, not the urinary system, not the respiratory system.
Teacher, what is the
What's the
urinary system?
What?
What is the urinary system?
Urinary system, when you go bathroom, this is a urinary system. You have to get rid of water by the urinary system, okay? The two kidneys,
When will you take it?
the two kidneys,
When we
you know
will
the
take
kidney?
Yes.
الكليتين, this is the urinary system.
Teacher, but when we will take it? The new
We didn't study this year. Maybe we'll study it in the next year, inshallah. Okay?
Allah.
Okay. Let's go. The next one will be, lower your hand, Malik. Adam Muhammad, are you ready?
Yes.
Islam, he didn't raise hand. Why Islam didn't raise hand?
Cactus has spines to reduce loss of water.
Cactus
Absorb sunlight to lose water.
has
absorb
spines.
water.
To reduce the loss of water, to absorb sunlight, to lose water, to absorb water. Why there is spines in cactus?
I think no correct answer is.
La, la, la. To reduce the loss of water. To reduce the loss of water, okay? Because the cactus live in the desert, it needs water. It doesn't want to lose water. It needs to keep water. So it has spines.
Teacher,
And to
you
keep
know
animals
what is
away.
the structure adaptation of
Except that we
of
think that
cactus?
the spines are
It water
for
itself.
not being eaten. Teacher.
Teacher,
And
No, I
also
want
to
to
keep
see-
animals away. You know?
Yes. We think
Yeah,
that.
Mister, I want
Keep
you to
animals
say
away.
another something. Do you, Mister? No. Do you know, Mister? The cactus has اسمه structure adaptation. It water itself.
Yeah, excellent, my son. Excellent. Malik, is it you, Malik?
Yeah.
Excellent, Malik. Thank you, Malik. Now we have Ahmed Atiyah. Are you ready, Ahmed? 84, Ahmed Atiyah.
Cows had 4 stomach.
The cow, how many stomach in the cow?
I say 4.
Yeah, 4. Very good, my son. Why there are 4 stomach, yeah, Ahmed? Do you know?
Because the grass it's hard to digest.
What is the food of the cow?
It is the grass, and the grass is hard
It eat
to
grass.
digest.
Does it need a short time to be digested or long time?
Long time, because the grass is hard in digesting.
The grass need long
Like you
time
can
to be
say-
digested, so the cow has very long digestive system. It has
Yeah.
4 stomach, so
Mister,
it
do you
can
know-
digest the grass.
Yeah,
You know,
because
it
if
can
you have
digest
a
the
one
grass.
stomach, you can't digest the grass.
Because it has 4 stomach, it can digest the grass because the grass take long time to be digested.
Mister, do you know if a cow has one stomach, its stomach it will اسمه ايه تبوظ يعني اللي هو هيجي لها مثلا التهاب في بطنها.
The grass need long time to be digested, so
يعني لو كده ممكن مثلا
it
بقرة تقعد 10 ساعات بتهضم لو عندها
has
بطن
a
واحدة.
very long digestive system. It has a very long digestive system. Okay.
Is the cow have
Okay.
one?
Now we have
your
Anas
name
Abdurrahman. Are you ready, Anas?
is like my name.
Adam, lower your hand. Adam and Ahmed Atiyah, lower your hand.
Is the cow have?
Lower hand. Anas, now your turn.
Change
Anas.
your name
Everybody,
because this is
mute your
my name.
mic. Suhaib, mute your mic. Yasin, mute your mic. Amgad, mute your mic.
My
Until
mic
your
is.
turn comes. Suhaib, mute your mic. Islam, mute your mic. And raise your hand, Islam. Raise your hand, Islam.
Mister, you can make raise the hand
Now,
of Islam.
only the one who didn't answer, raise your hand. Adam, did you answer?
Me?
No, No,
Adam
teacher.
Muhammad, did you answer?
No, teacher.
Lower hand if you answer, lower your hand. Ahmed Atiyah,
I
did you
didn't
answer?
answer. Teacher, I didn't answer.
طب يلا يا آدم.
Teacher, I
Your turn,
didn't
Adam.
answer.
Camels hump, store, water, oil, air, fat, water.
Camels hump, store water or oil or air or fat.
Water.
ها؟
Water.
Water ولا fat?
Fat.
Fat. Very good, my son. Fat. يلا يا أنس. Did you answer أنس?
Yes.
طيب lower your hand. محمد الشاعر.
I
Are you
didn't
ready?
answer. Yes.
اتفضل يا محمد.
Desert plants adapt for hot climate. Be having short waxy covering, toxins,
Desert
toxins,
plants. خلي بالك.
long
Desert plants adapted for the hot climate by having waxy cover متغطية بشمع. Toxins سموم. Long stem ساق طويلة. Short stem ساق قصيرة. اختار ايه؟ Desert plants adapted to the hot weather, hot climate by what?
letter B.
لا. By waxy cover. Okay?
Sorry,
The
wax
wax
cover.
protects them from high temperature. Okay?
No, teacher.
Okay, my son?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, Amgad, are you ready, Amgad? Adam, lower your hand. Muhammad Shah, lower your hand. Suhaib, lower your hand.
Okay.
Yasin, lower your hand. يلا يا أمجد. Your turn يا أمجد.
Yes. I'm here. Polar bear hide among snow to hunt this adaptation.
Is it structure adaptation or behavior adaptation?
Behavioral.
Behavior. You are excellent, my son. To hide between the snow, it is a behavioral adaptation. You are
Mister, can I keep? Should I lower the hand or I keep
Yeah,
it?
you have to lower your hand. Everybody answer, lower your hand. Adam, Suhaib, lower your hand until we finish all the students. Until we finish all the students, you will raise your hand again.
Lower
But
hand.
now
I
lower
lower
your
hand.
hand. The one who didn't answer now, Islam Ahmed.
Mister, there are 4 people are absent.
Yes.
يلا يا إسلام, your turn يا إسلام.
Penguins has
Mr. Suhaib and Adam Muhammad Sami is raising hand.
Penguin has what to help it keep its body warm?
skin.
Its body warm by skin and feather. Feather, you know the feather? The feather, okay? The penguin has feather, thick feather, okay? And thick skin, okay? Okay, my son? The feather because the penguin is a bird. The birds have feather, okay? Now
Mr.
lower your hand, please, Islam.
There are 2 birds can't fly. Ostrich and penguin.
Penguin, very good, my son. Because they are
But
very
when
heavy. Their body
penguin-
is very heavy.
Yeah, and I don't ostrich. It's very heavy, but I don't know why penguin can't fly.
Because it is very heavy and it has no big wings. Its wings are very short.
Because it has
And
fat.
if they fly, if they can
Its body
fly,
is very
the
fast.
snow
It
will
is
hit
very
them
fast.
and they can't fly.
It can't fly because its body very heavy and fat, and the wings are very short.
أو ممكن
small.
وممكن برضه يا مستر لو عرفوا يطيروا اسمه إيه؟ اسمه التلج اللي هيجي من فوق اللي هو من السماء هيخبطهم فمش هيعرفوا يطيروا.
ممكن. شكرا يا مالك. Thank you مالك.
Yeah.
Now everybody answered. Everybody answered يا شباب.
Yes.
Everybody you can raise your hand again. Everybody you can raise your hand again.
I want to answer.
Teacher, can I say
Raise
something?
your hand and mute your mic.
Teacher, can I
Raise your
say
hand, everybody.
Mr. Can I answer the first one?
You
before?
can,
Sir,
if
can
you
I say
raise your
something?
hand. Raise your hand,
Okay.
please, and mute your mic.
Teacher.
Now the
Teacher,
turn
can I say
for Adam Muhammad. Are you ready, Adam?
Yes, teacher. The human eyes letting in light than those of fishing cat.
The
Large
human eyes
amount
letting
of
in a light than those of the fishing cat. Large amount or more amount of or less amount of very large amount?
less amount.
Very good, my son. Less
Teacher, can I say
amount
something?
than the cat. The cat has a mirror-like membrane. It can collect more light.
Teacher, can I say something?
But the man has a normal eye which cannot collect more light.
I know. Teacher, can
Thank
I say
you.
something?
Thank you,
Teacher,
my
can I
son.
say something?
Let's
Teacher.
go to another student.
Teacher, can I say something?
Faddal.
Penguins are only birds that can swim.
The only birds which can swim, birds and ducks. Birds
Teacher.
also and the ducks. You know ducks? The duck
Yes,
also
I
can
know
swim.
Mister, 89 the human eye is little a.
Less. 89 less. Okay. Now the turn for Adam. Did you answer Adam? Lower your hand, Adam. Islam. Your turn, Islam. Lower hand,
Teacher,
Adam
I
Muhammad.
don't.
Islam. Your turn, Islam.
The nervous system can do all the following functions except
The nervous system can do all the functions except gathering information, processing information, falling of rain, sending signals.
C.
Yeah, falling of rain doesn't fall the rain. The rain fall from the cloud, not from the nervous system. Thank you, my son. Lower your hand now. Lower your hand now. Adam, lower your hand, Adam Muhammad.
Teacher, I have a problem in the reactions.
What problem?
I can't find them.
What problem?
You can lower his hand.
Lower
I can't
your
find
hand.
them.
What's your
Yeah.
problem?
Mister, you can
I don't
lower
know.
his hand. You can lower
I
his
can't-
hand.
I can't find the
He
reaction.
can't lower it.
Mister, try to lower his hand by yourself. You can lower his hand.
No
You
problem,
can.
no problem. What's
But-
your problem? Yeah,
I can-
Adam.
The button of reactions is not here.
What?
You mean it's vanished? It's vanished.
The button of reactions is not here.
Where is it?
Mister, the reaction is showing to me, but Adam, nothing here.
What is it, Adam? What's your problem here, Adam? I can't get it.
Mister, can you?
Here is the
you-
button of reactions.
Button of reactions? Why you need
Yes.
the button of reactions?
To lower his hand.
lower hand.
Let's go, ya shabab. Don't waste our time, please. Focus on the questions, okay? Don't waste our time. Adam,
Adam.
عارف now. Are you ready, Adam?
What teacher?
Let's go, ya
Okay.
Adam.
Uh,
Number
Build.
91.
can and what?
The blind person's cane and what? Emit high-pitched sound that bounce off from the echo.
Bat.
Very good. Very good, my son. The bat and the blind person cane make high-pitched sound to locate things. Very good, my son. Thank you very much. Adam, lower your hand, Adam. Omar Abu Arab, your turn, Omar Abu Arab.
In Morse code, long flashes can be used instead of
In Morse code, long flash is used instead of what?
that's only
Dash or dot?
dot.
Dash. Very good, my son. The long flash instead of dash, and the short flash instead of a dot. Okay? Thank you, Omar Abu Arab. You are excellent. Do you know, Omar Abu Arab? Do you know the Morse code is a way of communication only by sound, or it can be by another way?
By another way.
By what way?
About like body language.
No,
I know,
the
Mr.
Morse code can be done by 2 ways. What are they?
I think
Mister, I know.
Just wait a
Writing.
minute. I need Omar to answer. The Morse
Writing.
code can be done by 2 ways.
writing.
No. By sound and light. Also by writing, but also by sound and light. Okay? Okay, Omar? Thank you, Omar Abu Arab. Now, Malik Saad, your turn, Malik. Are you ready, Malik? Are you ready?
Yes, Mr. Yeah,
Number 93.
93. Okay. Umbrella, shaped tree, or acacia tree, and acacia and kabuk tree.
You are excellent, my son. Acacia tree and the kabuk tree, they have umbrella-shaped leaves. Very good, my son. Do you know where acacia live and where kabuk live?
Acacia tree live in Savannah Forest.
Savannah Forest in South Africa.
And kabuk tree live in
America, and Amazon for rainforest.
No. Amazon rainforest in Brazil. Do you know, Mister?
In
There
America.
are pink dolphins in Amazon rainforest.
Yeah, you are excellent. Okay, Malik. Thank you, Malik. You have a lot of information. You have a lot of knowledge, Malik. Lower your hand, Malik. Now, Yasin Sameh. Your turn, Yasin Sameh.
Fennec fox and Arctic fox live in burrows. This is behavioral adaptation.
Behavior adaptation. Very good, my son. What is the meaning of behavior adaptation?
Like animals do. Like
it is in a behavior or in the act. It is a change in the behavior or in the act of the animal.
Like the chameleon in behavioral, it buffs its body with air.
Very good, my son. Do you know behavior adaptation in the bed?
Behavioral adaptation in what?
In the bed.
In the bed. It eats insects and.
How does it sleep?
Not what?
How does a bed sleep?
Sleep upside down. Sleep.
This is behavioral or structural adaptation.
Yeah.
So the behavioral adaptation in the bed, it sleep upside down and it become active at night or at the daytime?
Active at night.
At night, this is also behavioral adaptation, okay?
Yes.
Thank you, my son.
And making a collocation.
What?
Making a collocation is a behavioral adaptation also.
Raise your voice, please.
Making a collocation.
Echolocation also behavioral adaptation?
Yes.
Okay, my son. Okay, good. Now lower your hand, Yasin. Ahmed Mustafa. Your turn, Ahmed Mustafa.
Yes, teacher.
95.
To describe the color of your school bag to your friend, you should use the sight sense.
To describe the color of your school bag to your friend, you should use what sense? Smell or sight or
Sight.
taste or touch?
Sight.
Sight. Very good. To describe the color, you have to tell them by sight. You use your sight to describe the color of something. Is it green? Is it yellow? Is it blue? Is it red? And so
عايز اقول
on.
لك حاجة.
Thank you, my son.
مستر
Thank you, Ahmed
لو
Mustafa.
تعرف مستر I want
Now
to say
your turn,
something.
Sohaib.
Yeah, master.
Your turn.
Camouflage means the animal can be predator can see.
Again, can be seen easily, is hard to be seen. Preys can see, predators can see. Camouflage,
It's hard,
That mean what?
hard to be seen.
hard or easy?
Hard.
Very good, my son. You are excellent. Give me an example, ya Sohaib, of camouflage.
The polar bear
Very good.
has
And the polar
a
fox?
white fur.
The polar
As a
bear
white
and the
fur?
polar fox.
Yeah,
And you know,
and the
chameleon also.
black or brown bear.
Yeah, very good. The brown bear also.
The
Very good, my
panther
son.
chameleon.
Yes, Adam.
And the panther chameleon also.
And the panther chameleon. Very good, yeah, Adam. Thank you, Adam.
Mr. and the lion, Mr. and mountain lion.
What?
Mountain lion.
Mountain what?
Lion أسد الجبل.
Mountain lion. Okay, okay. Very good, my son.
Mr.
Okay.
What is the mountain lion?
It's very hard to see him.
It is
when he
not easy to
camouflage.
see between the tree leaves.
Mr. What is the mountain lion?
It is an insect.
I'll see it right now.
It is a mammal. It is a mammal. The mountain lion.
Yeah, Momo live near mountains and they
Live in the mountain. Yes.
in the grass.
Okay. Thank you, man.
It's near to be impossible see him when the lions camouflage.
Very good, Malik. Thank you, Malik. Now, Muaz. Your turn, Muaz.
Yes. Camouflage means okay. The five senses of human include sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. B.
You are excellent. Sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Very good, my son. You are excellent. Thank you very much.
The impossible since you can't use it is touch.
Why?
من المستحيل ان انت تفقد حاسة اللمس.
يعني nobody lose the touch sense if he lose his skin. He lose the touch if he lose the skin.
Yeah.
And nobody can live without the skin.
Yeah. It
Very
will
good,
be me only.
Nobody can live without the skin. Now, Amgad,
Yeah.
your turn, Amgad.
Yes, it's sure it will be a skeleton.
Your turn, Amgad. We have 2 minutes. يلا يا شباب.
Mrs. Answer 198. The structural
98.
adaptation that helps fishing cat to hunt at night is ability to hide excellent night vision.
Excellent night vision. Excellent. You are excellent. You are excellent, Søren, and the cat has excellent night vision. Very good, my son. Thank you, Amgad. Now we have Adam Arif. Are you ready, Adam? Number
Mr.
99. We want to reach number 100. Yalla, ya Adam.
Who will gonna be the 100?
I will finish now, ya shabab. We'll continue, inshallah, next time from 99. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye.
Goodbye.
I love you. so much. السلام عليكم.
Bye. عليكم السلام.